tweeted from Chris Brown's account yesterday. Who are you? And what did you do to him? I'm Shishi and you're watching Pop News Daily. Chris Brown wasn't exactly the best role model the past couple of years, but are things finally turning around? The 24-year-old Fine China singer has started using social media to share his thoughts on universal healthcare. Breezy tweeted yesterday, "Hope you guys love the single, but more importantly, the message. Hopefully my actions inspire change and positivity." But he didn't just stop there. He added, "Not to get all political, but I think we as Americans should get #free healthcare, but that's just me." Additionally, Chris's new song also has a gay rights message. This is pretty surprising to hear considering we all know about his fight with Frank Ocean. Did he just become a new person since his breakup with Rihanna? His tweets are definitely a shocker, but we like it. Let's make it happen. I doubt Breezy has any power in politics, but what do you think about his latest tweets? Comment below and tweet us at PopStopTV.